Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a TUXEDO OS user or just someone who follows Linux news, there's a pretty big announcement. TUXEDO Computers is officially moving away from Ubuntu and rebasing TUXEDO OS on Debian Testing. This is one of the biggest changes in the distro's history, so let's see why it's happening and what it means for users. Until now, TUXEDO OS has been based on the latest Ubuntu LTS release while offering the latest KDE Plasma desktop environment. This hybrid approach gave users a stable foundation with newer desktop features, but there was a downside. Ubuntu LTS prioritizes long-term stability, which means many core system packages don't get updated very frequently. As KDE Plasma and Linux technologies evolve rapidly, it became harder for Tuxedo to deliver newer software while staying on an Ubuntu LTS base. That's why the company has decided to switch to Debian Testing instead of Debian Stable. This will give them access to newer packages and technologies while still maintaining a reliable desktop experience. Users can expect more frequent updates, making TUXEDO OS feel much closer to a rolling release distribution. Another reason behind the move is Canonical's direction with Ubuntu. Tuxedo says it's becoming increasingly difficult to avoid the snap packaging system as more Ubuntu applications are being distributed exclusively as snaps. The company also mentioned concerns that some security updates can take longer to reach users than they'd like. Interestingly, Tuxedo also stated that it wants to move away from Canonical's increasing focus on integrating AI technologies into Ubuntu. The good news is that your day-to-day experience shouldn't change much. Tuxedo OS will continue to use the KDE Plasma desktop with the same polished interface users are familiar with. There are also a couple of additional improvements. New installations are expected to use the Btrfs file system by default, and existing users won't be left behind. Tuxedo plans to provide a migration path so current Ubuntu-based installations can upgrade directly to the new Debian-based version. If you're curious to try it early, a public beta based on Debian testing is already available for testing and feedback. This is a major shift for TUXEDO OS and another example of how Linux distributions continue to evolve based on their own goals and priorities. So, what do you think about this decision? Is Debian testing a better foundation than Ubuntu for TUXEDO OS, or would you have preferred they stay with Ubuntu? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this Linux news update, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.